How about it, CQDX? Who's got a copy on 327? 327 up here in Seattle, Washington, CQ. Yes, 348 Tennessee. Yeah, we got a copy on you. Yeah, we're talking on a Cobra 142. How's it making it?
Oh, it's crystal clear. It sounds real good over here, man. I'd take the knobs off of it so you didn't tempted to monkey with it anymore.
Yeah, Roger Dodger on that. Yeah, we just tuned her up. We're going to put this guy on eBay, but we're making a quick video, so you're going to be on YouTube. How's that sound?
Eastern Middle Tennessee, yep, sure enough, 348 says it. I'll be on the side listening in.
That sounds great. All right, you got a personal Bruce over here in Seattle, 327, and have a great day. We're on the side.
327, Mr. Bruce, operator Dan over here, Delta Alpha November, 348, Sparta, Tennessee.
All right, that seemed to work pretty good. Guy said I was sounding great and right on frequency. That's what we like to hear. All right, hope you enjoyed the video.